probably my biggest worry, and I think it's many South Africans. Electricity is not a subject we approach lightly in this country, but having a car go flat is not something I should be concerned about.
Not at all. I've probably had, in my last, between 5 and 7 EV test cars, among them Mercs. Some of I had EQA, I had EQB, and some of their competitors. Volvo's EX30, e-Golf is quite a while back, Audi's e-trons, all of those vehicles. I did a step change at some point, and I just said, to experience like an owner would experience, literally took the cable out of the boot, which in most cases is an emergency charging cable. It charges at 2 kilowatts, which is really slow. Plugged it into the wall, and when I stop in the driveway, I just plug it in. And I found myself instantly getting back to the car, and the car would be full, always. So my trip from home to work through Pretoria CBD is about 18 kilometers, and then I come home on the highway, which is 33 kilometers. And in that journey, in the last few cars, I was generally using about 10 to 12% of the battery in that day. Getting home, plugging it in. At that stage, we were at stage 4, 5, and 6 load shedding. So we had severe load shedding scales, and the car was still full. Every day when I got to it in the morning, pulled the plug out, went to work and came home, used roughly 10 to 15% of the battery, and in the morning it was full. So that whole range anxiety argument, I'm telling you, is a non-entity. It's not an issue at all.